guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. And I don't know what to say. I'm stuck. But anyway, hold up. I know I haven't posted for long, but today we are here to eat a mukbang. Mukbang, this is my plate. I'm showing you plates instead of the food. Yes, I'm not endorsing anything but a bucket for me and babe. But he's not here. Akoinje. Sorry. Wait, my plate is wet. I have... Oh, I just got my nails done yesterday. So today we're just going to eat. I feel like we should make this a mukbang channel. Here, bucket. I love bucket and sticky wings. But today I just bought bucket. So I'm just going to take my 8 pieces. No, I think I just name it as I eat. Hold up. You guys can see me. Move this thing a bit so I can be comfortable. I've called Bay so we can eat. He doesn't want to eat. He's talking to his boys. I can't wait for that boy because I don't want it to be cool. The microwave is not working. Receipt. Okay, let's see. And you can't even hide the name because if someone says this type of chicken, it automatically likes KFC. So, eating KFC. I might keep this too for bake because me, I'm normally a hot sauce girl. So I don't know what you guys want to talk about when as we do a mukbang. Definitely have to have my hot sauce. Hot sauce. I'ma have my hot sauce, my glass, have my Coke. We've been having this Coke in the house, and also bought Fanta. So we'll be having both. I don't know if that's Bay at the gate. I can hear the gate. So I don't know what you guys want me to talk about. But you guys definitely comment down below and tell me if you guys want more mukbangs. I mean, I love to eat. And I love to talk. So why not combine the two? I'm mostly a Coke person. Just bought Fanta. Ooh, I saw a challenge. You eat Coke. I mean, you eat peanuts and drink Coke. But this time the peanuts are inside the Coke. So I don't know if I should do that. I've never tried such a thing. Definitely. This is a nice cocktail because it I've washed my hands, are clean. It dissolves the gas of the Coke. Definitely. So let's get into eating because I'm hungry. Let me tell you the funny part is Bay called me. Oh, I'm hungry. Oh, I'm hungry. Oh, I'm hungry. I brought food from KFC. And now he doesn't show up. I know what's wrong with him. I like it like that. So, what do you guys want us to talk about? Oh, I know what we should talk about today. The new King Kaka song. Wajinga nyinyi. If you're not Kenyan, I'm sorry, but you're missing out a lot on a political one. If you are Kenyan, you definitely know what's going on. For those who don't, I'm going to tell you real quick what's going on. You know, our political... I'm not a politician one. I don't like politics too. But damn, we all know people have been stealing the government. people have been lying about stealing. So, and people know who are doing this, and people are just scared to call them out on their wrong and say, hey, you're the one who, oh, Bae is here. Hey, Bae. We're doing a mukbang video. No, you want to join?
You're doing?
We're just doing a mukbang, a vlog.
Teardrop also, he has done another today.
Teardrop has removed the song. Spoken word. Wait, let me first finish explaining to them about the Kaka song. Now, let me tell you the best part about the Kaka song. He's literally called up politicians by name. He's said what everybody has been thinking, but too scared to say. And apparently, when he did that, Anoy Guru decided she's going to file a lawsuit. He gave him 48 hours to drop the song from all social media sites and everything, and offer her a public apology in writing. So me, when I heard about that, I was like, okay, fine, I understand. But why are you mad at King Kaka? He's just repeating what was said in the news. So the media companies won. And my guru used to say, oh, Raila and his people are after us. Why didn't she sue him? Why come after King Kaka? Because you know he's an underdog in the political world. So, yesterday, the other day, I heard that she dropped the lawsuit, thinking Kaka is an immature child, just looking for attention. That's Bae using... Bae! Please have it on the camera. What's wrong with you? How can Kaka...
What about Nganga? Pastor Nganga? Did you hear Pastor Nganga?
Yes! And about Pastor Nganga. Nganga is a piece of work, first of all. Don't you think so? He doesn't want to be on the camera, so don't ask me why he's not here. Nganga told alikuwa anamuita aje? Kaka King. Alikuwa anamuita Kankaka. Nganga said he's sleeping with King Kaka's mother. King Kaka asked him if he's fat. I found that funny. Did you find that funny? You want some hot sauce?
No.
I knew you don't like it.
I like it. I'm just utilizing the ones you brought first.
King Kaka asked him that someone should ask Nganga if he's fertile first before he asks for his mom. I'm going to tell you guys, these bao wings, freshly prepared, hot, tender, and crisp. I told you, here's Bae. He said he was hungry, and now we have food, and doesn't want to eat. He's out there making stories with his friends. Let me tell you what happened this morning, people. But did they tell you? Did we tell you? This morning, I was called to work. We closed the office like yesterday, but apparently there was a small flood in the office. The pipe had burst in the office, so water was getting in the office. So I had to go help clean it up. So when I went to help, no, before I went to help, I was going to the gate to look for a motorcycle. Boda, we call it boda guys. And then there's this one boda guy, I won't mention his name or what he does. I've never seen him carry anyone, but I knew he's just started working and he learned how to ride his... I saw him learn how to ride his boda. He's never carried Bae before. He's never carried me before because me I only have two people. I only have two people who can carry me. And one of them like carries me and Bay all the time. The other one, Bay is the one who made me start allowing him to carry me, because he once carried him and he told me he's good, and it's on very rare occasion that he carries me. Our main Boda guy is the one who carries me all the time. His name is Dan, and I like him because he listens to me. I'm scared of the Boda, so what? So not everybody carries me. I'll disturb you, and if you don't understand me, you'll get irritated. So, and this one, I've had, oh, he doesn't know how to ride, oh, he's ever dropped people, oh, he doesn't follow instructions, oh, he's not good with them. Just a lot of stories. And for us, so when I got there in the morning, somebody else was leaning on his bike, so I called that person, come. And then that person said, no, it's not his Boda guy, and called him. I took an about turn like some. I came back in the house. I was so scared. You would have thought somebody's chasing me. And I'm telling baby, go and look for me. Go and look for Boda for me outside. Baby sleeping on the bed. He doesn't care. He doesn't want to. He doesn't want to help me. He doesn't want to help me. No.
For trouble.
No. Do you know what I did? I got out of the gate. I went all the way to the shop. Uko chini kwa mandazi. Nikapata hapo boda, nikapanda. That's how scared I am. Like, if I don't trust you with me, I'd rather walk from here to town to get a transport, to get a vehicle to transport me to where I want to go. That's how bad my phobia is. If I don't trust you, or if you've never carried somebody I trust, you will never carry me until I hear how you are. And even if I hear you won't carry me until you're carrying somebody else who I trust, and they'll refer the experience to me. Yeah, that's what happened this morning. So I just knew these people are going to talk about it. So I thought that I just can't be anything.
No.
And there's like that guy who carries us sometimes. I told you, aliniambia ati alimwambia niko na madharau cause ni Dan peke yake anaweza nibeba. It's not madharau, it's just that, especially if I know you've ever dropped somebody, you'll never carry me.
I think we should tell him.
Tell him what? I don't trust him. If I tell him, he'll think I'm insecure because my voice is rough.
How many pieces have you eaten?
2. What's your favorite eating place? What's your favorite eating joint?
My favorite?
I'm thinking. God, I used to go a bit further. Yeah, oh, better, much better. What's your favorite eating joint? I just need to say KFC. This hot sauce. Do you have tumbling? What's your favorite eating joint?
In this town? Not in this town?
Anyway.
I don't have the experience, I don't even know.
Talking about experience. I think you guys, I don't know how to set you guys up. I want to get to my place at the same time. I want to go to see me. let me tell you his problem. I tell them your problem.
They'll tell you it's not a problem.
This is a problem. Comment down below and tell me if this is not a problem. Because to me, this is a problem. If okay, like when we're in Eldoret, your favorite eating place is KFC, right?
That is for Kuku and
Every time he's lying, it's not just for. Every time we start saying we're going out, let's go and eat somewhere. Today we don't feel like cooking. Let's go out and eat. He will always say, let's go to KFC. Always.
if it's for Kuku and chips, yes. But,
We don't even know what we're going to eat.
but the other foods, I don't know. I don't have the experience.
We don't even. You see, he's saying it. We don't have the experience because we never go anywhere else except KFC. Sometimes, most of the actually all sometimes, yeah. If it's not KFC, he doesn't feel it.
No, I need to test other places for other foods. Not if I go to another place, I'll not do chicken and chips.
What if the chicken and chips is better than KFC?
I doubt.
You see, he's skeptical. He doesn't try out new things easily. Trust me. Really? Will you try out?
I really doubt.
You don't try out new foods mostly.
Guys,
But my favorite eating place, to be honest,
KFC.
it's not even a big. Me, I can eat at easy places naitwa aje. Mali unaweza enda kutisha ugali mbogo, ugali nyama, ugali soup.
Kibandaski.
Kibandaski, yes.
But I've taken you to Kibandaski. But they don't have good fish.
There's a place here in Nigeria called Isili. Hey, they have the best fish, but you have to know where you're buying from. Not all of them have the best. Like it's a group of women, a lot of them cooking fish. They're not all good, but they're good, if you know what I mean. They're good, but not good. But they're good. So you have to really know. Oh, and the goodness is they have names like Mama Vero, Mama Brayo, Mama. And it's funny because they're all called Mama. Hot sauce, I love hot sauce. This is the best hot sauce.
Best Githeri joint.
Best Githeri joint. Ooh, best Githeri joint is Kibandaski Bado. Best Githeri joint. Somewhere near our you see at
Basic there is a found in Kibandaski.
yeah. Don't ever go to a hotel and ask for Githeri and expect it to be good. Kwanza utapatiwa Githeri last week because not many people eat that.
Best chapati in Kibandaski.
Kibandaski, yes.
Porridge. Do people take porridge?
Gilda bought porridge on Friday. Kibandaski, perfect.
But you don't like porridge, you?
I took a little because of some dundo. I'm a really good eater, but if I see in your porridge you have dundo, even one, I'm done. The porridge has to be 100% smooth.
They can invite me to make them porridge.
He makes the best porridge. He taught me how to make porridge actually.
Best porridge in town.
You should sell your
I
porridge.
should open a porridge.
I know. What do you call it? Venus porridge.
When I stop working, The same way KFC is good in chips and
Chicken.
I'm gonna come up with the best uji joint.
Why don't you just do it now? What do you mean when you stop working?
I'm not be able to handle the two right now.
What do you mean you? Kwani? What about me?
I think I should start teaching you.
What you've taught me.
You don't like.
We have 3 secret recipes to our porridge. You tell them. Comment down below and let me know what you normally put in your porridge. And then if his secret recipe is among them, I like it. Is this thing sliding? Because I feel like you guys can see my plate. Tell me if I'm going to do more eating and just talking. Mukbangs. Actually, all I'm doing is just eating. I love eating and I love talking, so if I can vlog mukbangs, then why not? They promised to buy me a camera and a laptop, so vlogging will be easy.
What's the best camera around?
Oh yeah, comment down below. And tell me the best camera around so I can purchase that. Because my phone has a memory problem. It doesn't store a lot of videos.
It's a cheap one.
So I need... It's not a cheap phone. Leave this one alone. So I need to what do I need today? I need a camera with a good memory card and a laptop. We'll be buying a laptop in January, right, babe? So everything will be easy. Everything will be easy. This is good. I wish it was hot, but somebody alichelewa kuja kwa nyumba, and then after a while I got tired of waiting for him. Where's the fries? Babe, you finished the fries.
Okay, this is Mentosh.
But kuku ija kutosha. But I love bawang, but I prefer sticky. Do you prefer sticky or bawang? Sticky.
Bow.
I prefer sticky.
Sticky, you know what they did to you?
Ooh, miuhara after KFC, by the way. For those who think I should not have said that, because I'm eating, that's your problem. Someone told me they like the way I smack when I eat.
I'm not done.
Here's the problem with him. Like now he's saying he's not done. He eats. How do you eat? He eats kidogo. And then to me, I'm thinking, who's that? I keep eating. I don't know. Where's my this and this and this? Look at that, guys. I have put hot sauce inside. I just like the hot sauce is just going inside.
Sit down.
Be humble. Heinz hot sauce is the best hot sauce. Someone told me KFC has the best chicken. I told them no. I have to sample more chickens. That's a bait on me. I told him I have to sample more chickens. But he refused to try tacos.
I don't want to tackle that.
My next mukbang will be chicken taco.
La 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 la.
For me more.
No, this one will, since you started with that one, you should.
I did both. I mixed. Look at the color. I mixed. You serious? Look what it's doing. Oh, Majuma.
Why are you mixing? This recipe is a killer.
This video will be up today. It's really good when you mix because it tames the coke. Though I love coke. The carbon dioxide in the coke. It just keeps sliding. You have to try. It just wants to keep going. And don't think about KFC. I promise you, see, I'm eating KFC now. We will not eat supper. See there? It keeps us full the whole day. That's why I love it also. Not because you don't want to. There's something about KFC chicken that just keeps you full the whole day. I'm not advertising KFC, by the way. But look, I feel.
Kentucky.
I think I'm done.
You're full?
Yeah, after I think 4 pieces instead of 8 pieces. I'm trying to let him know I have my 4 pieces in there. Paper towel up. Tell me if you like my nails. Yes, yes, sister, yes, sister, yes, sister, yes, sister. You heard me? Ooh. Ooh. You like him? No, you don't. Chini, 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 I'm wamba.
So ipumzike kidogo.
This is him being petty. Beckham will say bye. You want to say bye? You see his shadow over here?
Show them me.
No, you have to come here. I can't move it. Because this wall is plain. I don't want them to see my house. I'll give you guys a house tour next time. That will be for another episode. You see his shadow over here? They can see your shadow on the wall. Yeah, this is the wall. Okay, come sit here and say bye. This was your plate, actually. I brought him a plate he hasn't used. He has used another plate. I don't know what. Come sit here and say bye.
This is your plate.
Bye, guys. See you in the next video.